Hi guys, welcome to How to Library. Today I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on Pinterest. Right now I'm on Pinterest's homepage. At the bottom of the screen you can see 5 icons. There's a home icon, a search icon, a create icon, a notifications icon, and a saved icon. We're going to click on the one that is on the bottom right corner, the saved icon, and that will bring us here to our profile. And right above your name, as you can see, I already have a profile picture, but if you don't, you'll have this little like circle icon right above your name. So we're gonna click on that, and that will bring you here. So you have a save pin code, update profile picture, and copy profile link. I already have a profile picture, so I don't need to set anything, but all you have to do is click on the update profile link, and that will just take you to update profile picture, and that will take you to your photos, and you can pick out a profile picture and set it. And that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye guys.